Welcome everyone to the Augsburg Tier 2 Championship, which means both these teams have lost a game. Could also be thought of as third place. Metx just got off a grueling overtime loss to Sticks and Stones. Really exciting game as well. Unfortunately, it didn't make it to broadcast. So Blizzard is well rested, but Metx also has excellent cardio. Refs hustling them along, trying to get the ball played by the game, or paid by the game for sure. There's another game after this, I believe, for the full-on championship. No, don't quote me on that. I will probably not be staying for that, though. College is doing camera and commentary, so I'll probably keep the commentary to a minimum, but hopefully I'll at least catch the action. Good save, the Blizzard tender gets a hug there. A little bit of a defensive miscue. I think T-Rose advising the team a little bit there. Can't give Metx a lot of those. Wiggs tries to carry it out. Blizzard definitely is going to want to make Metx run as much as possible. He's coming off that long overtime game. But Metx no strangers to trying to tire teams out either, so I can probably keep up with that. Ooh, quick goal to start off. Says it got slow connection, but hopefully he caught that. It's kind of a blast from the circles. Great start for Metx. That's what they want to see. Oh man, another odd man rush. Oh my word. Alright. Tough start for Blizzard for sure. Just hard shots. Metx taking out their frustration from the previous game right out of the gate. Now those odd man rushes can't give those up versus Metx and stick around for too long. Blizzard secures the zone, tries to set it up. Putting a lot of pressure down. Powerful collision on the boards there. Seems like everyone's alright though. Good chance. Metx carries back. Another odd man rush for Metx. It's back in time. Alright. Metx putting down a lot of pressure early. Keeping them bottled up pretty good. They do have Zach Allen in the middle there, potentially. Oh, forced the turnover there. Really good. Almost a golden centering chance. Foot race down, just gets it out of the zone. Good back check by Metx. Sets it back to the goalie. Keeping the goalie involved for sure. Get some line changes, much needed. Got to keep the legs fresh. It's still a long game. Oh man, they've been really cooking Blizzard on the center ball. I don't know. Chance for a breakout, but oh, another turnover. Juicy centering, a great save off the last minute there. So keeping it in the zone. Solid centering ball. He's probably going to touch it back to Berger here. Sets up from point. Good aggressive defense there. Doesn't let Grant pop off a shot there. Always dangerous down low. Barely stays in play. Get a couple of changes there from Metx. Oof. Yeah, if Metx was tired from the overtime, they're not showing it, I would say. Be good prep for the state tournament next week. Either way, potentially a good chance. Oh, yeah. Breakaway chance. Oh, big save. Good pressure on the back check as well, but it's the best chance of the Blizzard so far. Trying to slow Longchamp down there without getting a penalty if possible. Succeeds, at least in the not getting a penalty department. So known it's 2-0 with about 13 minutes left in the first half. There's still plenty of game left. Have to see if it settles into a routine. Booming shot from the point. Lofts it out. Oh, Sam's upgraded to hockey gloves. A lot of times he just wears winter gloves. Glad to see that. I fear for his fingers otherwise. Solid backhand. Really comes out. Aggressive play there. That gets it. Metx just settles it down. Looks to attack again. Good scrum down low. Dangerous chance. Oh, maybe held the ball. I don't know. Might have held the ball a touch there, Michael, but no call. Probably fine. I don't know the rules, so. Fended aside by Guy there. Logo puts up a no-fly zone. Potentially a breakaway chance. If Blizzard gets a goal here, it's a totally different ball game. Lofts the ball deep. I think. Stay with play. Alright, so about 10 minutes, 30 seconds left. Metx up by 2. Had, I think, goals with their first 2 lines, just right out of the gate. It's been relatively quiet ever since. Blizzard had a couple chances as well. They're just mostly on breakaways. Another deep ball on net, though, I think. Staves off icing. Another deep ball. Cameraman's getting a workout out here. That one is icing, so we're back again. Tripod would be a good purchase, but contemplating driving over to Augsburg. There's a championship game after this one, so still plenty of broomball tonight. I will probably not be broadcasting that though, so I'm going to go home and go to bed. So must be present to view that one. Very good control there. Boga blocks that aside. Boga finds Grant in the middle. This is a dangerous situation for Blizzard, but they're running back. Finds a deep ball. Hard shot. They're settling. Secure the zone. Play this out again. I don't know if broomball does the all tournament hair like what hockey does, but I think 92 would be the front runner for my vote. Love the flow. Tebow's looking at leading the breakout here. Finds the wall pass. Bangs off the scoreboard. I wonder if Tebow's switching to center. Make it. Oh, big save. Solid scoop. That's exactly the pressure that Blizzard's going to need to keep generating. This is a 2-goal game. But you can cut that in half in a second. Works around the horn. Drives in. Strong defense there by Metx still. Not letting them get comfortable down low. really quality chance. Maybe the best one of the night so far. Another good save, though. Metx a little uncoordinated on the change here, but make it work. Also get a little bit more time to catch the breath too. I don't know if that was some gamesmanship or not. Oh. Net gets pushed off. Blizzard like some sort of ruling for that, but not going to happen. Grant handles it. Oh, a dynamite break chance for Longchamp. Defended aside. Oh, all right. Just knocks the net off there, so net's getting knocked around on both sides of the rink, but really good chance there for Metx. Good save by Lenny there, too. I think Max probably wanted just a little higher on the shot. Blast to the point. Dangerous on the back door there. Guy's looking to carry. Putting that pressure down. Ooh, that's good. Then, Blizzard starting's tale of 2 quarters so far. Second half of the first half has been all Blizzard. Oh, finds one there. Looks on the front door. Potential defensive miscue. Huge chance for Blizzard there if they can cut that lead in half just in an instant. So 2-1, Metx favorite still. Metx had that hot start. Looking a little bit slower now though. But maybe that goal will liven him up. Oh. Big save. Yep. Luga's back on the attack. Critical save by Lenny there. Really hard shot. A little under 6 minutes left in the first half. And what's referred to as the Tier 2 championship game. Might have saved the goal there by Thibault. Really good back check there by Berger. Smashes the ball on the other end. Oh, Thibault almost tees off on it there. Fire wagon boom ball out here at Augsburg. Oh, really good chance for Metx there again. Big save by Lenny. Oh, kept in very nicely by 92. A high shot, still a really golden chance on the back door with the collapse by Metx. They're winning those 50-50 balls again. Oh, almost a chance for a breakaway, but good strong back check. Gives it back to the goalie to set it back up. I think they're... Oh! Juicy turnover chance. Hard shot. Curtis again. Came off a hat trick, I believe, last night in Blaine. So I'd like to recapture some of that magic here. Evo takes a cycle forward. Traditionally back on defense, but I think they're doing a mix of stuff here, so. Big drive to the net. Oh my word. Wow. Really good play by Longchamp there. I think Pete's gonna want that one back, but really good play. Just a hard drive. It's back to a 3-1 lead for Metx. Oh, another big chance. Goals tend to come in bunches here, so stay tuned. Oh, yep, well, really good setup there and big finish from the center. So I think it's 4-1. The scoreboard hasn't been updated yet, but it's been a long day for the scorekeepers, so. I'm pretty sure it's 4-1. Source is 3-1 still, but Blizzard was Metx was up 2-0 and then scored 2 more. So yeah, all right. Scoreboard says 4-1 with a little under 4 minutes left to play. So still not over by any means, but if you're a Metx fan, you got to be feeling pretty good about where you're at. Blizzard's selling out really hard for the attack. No point protecting a loss, I suppose. Michael's Fasters gets back quick. I think they secured zone there. Oh, Michael on the breakaway. Hand pass, great save. Quiggs is inside of the net. Called, I think, a hand pass. Guy disputes, but argument does not carry the day. I think that's what they call the hand pass there. Have to consult the VOD. I believe Tito, but certainly a golden chance for Blizzard that goes away there. Devo sends it deep. They're going to play the dump and chase, I think, which makes sense. Yep, 2 on the ball. You gotta go for it. Got to get one here before the half, I would say, if you want to be at all, you have a chance of winning. Metx kites back, secure zone. Good breakout by them. One of their longer passing breakouts. They might try and do the same angle here, just drive the ball down low to the net, but likes to pass and go for a change. A little bit of a... Yep, okay, Tebow. Taking the ball out. Metx loses zone, but it's ready to... Nope, never mind. Hard shot on net. Squeezes it. Good call there for sure. Give the team plenty of time to take their changes. 2 minutes and 5 seconds left. Metx up 4-1. Oh, go for the dump and chase. Icing. Blast the ball down. Now a touch under 2 minutes. the face-off. Solid chance, but blocked. Good block there. Just the ball down below the net. Blast on the point. Oh, almost a juicy deflection. Good block down there. Exciting pass. Oh my. Yeah, Blizzard's keeping them bottled up here actually with a minute left. They really do need that goal to end the half. Metx just wants to get to halftime, I think, which I can't blame them. It's a lot of nights, a lot of games tonight. Jaeger carries it into the zone. It's dangerous with the ball. Oh, excellent goal there. Good hustle. Two of the fastest guys in broom ball there, I think. Certainly in the conversation, at least. Really good breaker. .31 seconds left. 5-1 Metx. Oh, looking to make it 6-1. Not taking the foot off the gas yet. Another big turnover. Good chance. 15 seconds left. I don't think Metx is done with their shots on goal yet. Maybe they are. Commentators curse. Yeah, Guy's content to hold it. Alright, that's the first half. Blizzard with some real quality chances, but almost all Metx in the box score. 5-1. Guess they're going with a 1 minute halftime. So, getting back into the action real quick here. I touched on earlier, there's at least one more game after this. I don't think I'll be sticking around to cast it, but maybe somebody else will. Otherwise, there's a few seats still available here. Not quite a sellout at the arena tonight. I'd be curious to hear the halftime adjustments. And for Metx, I think you almost think don't change too much, just don't get hurt before state. Both these teams playing in the state tournament next weekend. Grant gives a little wave. Grant said he has something for me, I think. Hopefully it's a gift. Or food, I'm hungry. But I think we'll be ready for the state broadcast next weekend. Yeah, but neither of these teams want to get hurt, obviously. Third place at Augsburg League is nice, but a state championship, quite a bit better, if I had to pick. Well, both teams bringing their all, though, at the start. He's out, fields it. Hot start. Metx looks to set it up. That's kind of what I was anticipating. It's just play a little bit of keep away, probably, right? Work on the stick handling drill, more or less. I mean, up by 4 goals. They almost just want to kill a clock, but obviously, if a good chance presents it, they'll take it. Blizzard, meanwhile, has got to go all out on the attack here. It's not over, but they're going to need to start getting some motion pretty quick with 17 minutes left. Running time, I guess. So maybe that's a 4-goal lead. They keep running clock. 3-goal lead. At any rate, clock is still running. Look to touch. Oh, bit of a pass he might want back. Oh, breakaway though. If they take that, Twig's trying to make up for that on the back check. Does. Yep. And he comes out, covers on it. Metx really possessing here, the zone. Settles that down nicely. Finds him on the back door potentially. Big save by Thibault there. Keep that ball out of the middle. I think that was probably just a yawning net at that point. Good freeze by Lenny. Reset. Better start to the second half than the first half for Blizzard, at least. It seems good working relationship with the teams, so not anticipating any big drama in the second half here. But just figure out what they want to work on for state and execute that while we can, right? It's like a scrimmage. At least that's what I assume they'd be saying at the half at this point. Touches it up to Thibault. Oh, almost a really nice give and go. Still a really good chance. Oh, I think 5 holes, Lenny. Might let that one back, but that's a tough to block as well from that close. Yeah, good pressure by Metx there. Forcing some errors from Blizzard. He touches it up to Lenny. Lenny tries to touch it back. Ooh, turned over. Really good chance to take the tape. Good back check though. Saves a really hard shot. Looking to carry. Finds E outside. Blizzard hopefully. Oh, takes a shot. Makes sense. We need to get some shots on net. Yeah, big chance. Nice. Sending the ball to the net. All right. 5-2 Metx, but that's signs of life from Blizzard. Anything you can do to get that positive momentum, it's great. Yeah, a couple good shots on net. Blizzard, I think you just got to keep taking those down by 4? Still down by 4, I guess, so. Big collision in the boards. Icing. With running time, that's definitely in Metx's favor, for sure. Any icing you can get. Good face-off win there. Decent chance, but good goalie play there. Metx is back on the decent chance again, but another good goalie play. Fends that aside. Both teams really playing hard though in the second half, which is great to see. And he's quitting on the game for sure. Except for a cameraman, I guess I missed some of the action in the corner there. Apologies. Blast on the side. Got a few of the Metx guys post up in the center there. Good twirls down low for a low angle shot there. Great shot from Berger. I think that makes it 7-2. 7-2 with 11.5 minutes left. Oh, a bit of a mix-up there, but they got nothing but time, so just looking at the break-in chance here. Cutter from Longchamp, down low. Yeah, I think the post it up to point. Another blast. Down low. Seconds, it's up to Jake. He's looking for the deep ball. He's contemplating it. Sends it outside. Yeah. Good break in, but really good back check as well. So it doesn't wind up resulting in anything too exciting. The deep ball. I think if the game was a little bit closer, Grant would be looking after that, but understandable. Up by 5 goals. He's probably content to watch him go by. Offsides. A little bit of good-natured extracurriculars. I think the teams both like each other, though, as much could be hoped. So, plus down by 5 goals or up by 5 goals, I'm not anticipating any drama. Nope. A little early on the draw, I guess. Oh, nice ball by Tried in the corner for Grant. And is Berger on the back door, I think? Yeah, gets it. Really good hustle play by Metx there. It's maybe a mix-up on the defensive side. Not a lot Lenny can do about that one. All right, 8-2. With 8.5 minutes left. So... Driggs looking for the break-in. Like the hustle there. He's gotten a lot of goals that way in his career. Goals usually still come in bunches one way or the other, right? So it's probably the best chance that Blizzard's going to have for a bit. Berger going all out on that one. Respect. Pumps up the shot on goal stats, at least. Nice. Nice idea, but sends it out of play. So plenty of time for a line change, at least. Yeah, both these teams tend to play the very running-oriented, like passing-oriented style of play. So, it's a matchup. Metx getting the better of it tonight, but the teams will play again in a week. if not sooner. So I certainly wouldn't count Blizzard out, but Metx is proving why they're one of the best teams in the state. Here's him in the zone. Back out again. He's looking to carry the zone. Dump and chase, maybe? But it's a tough foot race to win, for sure. Six minutes, 20 seconds left. Score is 8-2 Metx favored. Blast down there, out of play. Had Longchamp streaking down there if it was a little bit more accurate, I think, but and then for that. Oh. Almost a good chance. Longchamp on the breakaway. Pete running all out at him. Longchamp takes the second. Oh, finds the outside on Lenny. A couple really strong hustle goals by Longchamp this game. Is that 5 goals for Longchamp? It might be. That's the impression I got. I'm not keeping the stats, but certainly a good game from him. 9-2. A little less than 5 minutes left to go. All right, we're looking to get the zone again. Solid centered ball. Jaeger might want to get in on the goal scoring action here. Carries deep. And back check though doesn't let him get set up. So, oh. He's doing trick plays with it. Yeah. And then one of those was illegal, I guess. I don't know. At any rate, little limit testing. Any rules knowers in the chat? Feel free to sound off what exactly it was, but secure zone from Metx. Oh, another chance for Burger just puts another one in net. Nothing Lenny could really do there. Just a quick wrister. It's 10-2. Lucas got a lot of game winners. That one's not one of them, but, you know, still probably feels good to score, I guess. Geese just streaks down there, going all out there. Wins that 50-50 ball. Oh man, almost a backdoor goal there. Maybe looks to add another one to the tally. I think that'd be his third. One on the back door there. Working around the point. Fans are storming the glass, you see. Brad takes a cut, out of play. Okay, 2 minutes on the nose left. Score is 9-2. Just send it in. The Blizzard just trying to get any momentum going for State. Metx is a really good team, so no shame in losing to them, but I want to ideally get a goal here before the end just to leave a little bit of a better taste in your mouth. Metx, I'd like to keep scoring. Why not, you know? Good working around the boards. Going to try another breakout. Yep. Tape passes. Into deep. Looks for a change. Not an expert strategist, but does not appear Blizzard will be pulling the goalie at this point. Makes sense to me. Might as well just get the practice 5-on-5. He's looking for a solid center ball there. Good ball. Oh, good chance. Yeah. Smart play by the both teams there. No point in getting hurt with so much on the line in 6 days from now. So I think there'd be a little bit more of a scrum if it was a little closer. And next week expect more of that, but smart play by both sides there. Oh, sorry, missing critical last minute content. 10 seconds left. Looking for one last shot for Tebow probably, or Sam. Oh, fended aside. And Berger. We got 2 guys on the back door. There's some chances. All right, that's all she wrote. Gonna end the stream there. I believe the championship game will be CNL versus Sticks and Stones coming up right after this. Good seats still available if you can make it out.